Disneyland!
Buy mo ng baon. Bili ka ng baon.
Hi guys,
natin.
we're gonna buy our baon for Disney.
Ito hamon ko sa dalawa. Take away. Tsaka ano, classic spoon. Tsaka
Excuse me.
Ito, magbaon kayong sandwich.
ayun nga, sandwich na lang, $40 eh.
Excuse me.
Eh, hindi ko na lang tayo, mag-sandwich na lang tayo para mas malaki.
Okay.
Two tayo.
Uy, mami, pasta!
Oo.
Can I have?
Bili mo rin kami, kulang ba?
Ay, hindi. Tatlo na lang. Ay, kailangan, let's go.
Hi guys, we're gonna eat breakfast here at here. I don't know the name. It's Chinese or what. Let's go take a seat. Are we gonna taste? Puro Chinese.
Pag saan na ito, Chico?
Oo.
Baka wala pa niya. Tanungin na lang natin.
Meron yan. Yung beef.
Yun o, yung wonton.
Ayun sa kabila.
Yun o, yung may wonton.
Ito lang,
Itong
Yan.
ito kay pa.
Hindi, ako na
So guys, we're gonna eat breakfast first before going to Disney. And it's day 3.
Why are you so pretty? What's your secret?
Kaya ni Lola.
Mamaya
Wow!
pag bango.
Parang mas malaki ito, no?
Para maraming laman.
Thank you. This is the liso.
Doon lahat.
Okay, thank you. At sandali, pipicture.
Kasama sila Lola. Ma, picture. Lingon kayo dito. Pa. Mami. Ma.
Ellie, I will...
Hindi nakatingin na.
Hey, that's mine. That's what
Mama,
I do.
look.
Ayan.
Wow! It's mine.
Okay. Pat. Ay, Ellie, tabi kami ni... Dito ka na kay Lalo.
Ben, naalala ko na naman si Failed.
Oo nga. Dito ka na.
Wow! My order. Pork chop, fries, egg, and butter. What's this?
Ano yan?
Beans.
Ay. Sisi.
Sisi.
Sisi, thank you.
Thank you.
Hindi, pag napaiba ang bigkas mo na iba
Sisini.
ang meaning.
Pupunta na si Lola sa China.
Can I have some rice for breakfast?
Okay. Oh, here.
Kuha ka na spoon.
I will taste the rice.
Di ba yung lasa ng sabaw ng...
Harap din ang kanilang
Masarap din dito.
matamo. ano, natanda ay busing-busing.
Yun doon naman kaya maraming kumitsila doon sa kabilaan. Nabiling kape.
Pala itong yung Merced.
What's that?
Ng items. Additional item. Rice po.
Isang kanin, isang gulay, isang ulam, 40.
Excuse me, Lola. Excuse me, Lola.
Unbox. Oh, anong uro? Ilang ulam yun? Ilang ulam? Isang gulay.
Beans. Wow, tatay egg.
Ang dami mo yung sandwich dito, dalawa.
We're ordering food for Lolo and Lola.
Parang may mushroom. Egg mushroom. Ayun lang, parang ano to. Ito na eh. Ayun na palang beans.
It's we're done eating breakfast and Lolo and Lola will go home and me, Tatay and Mommy will go to Disneyland and we're buying food for them. Hi, Tatay.
Bye, see you at Disneyland. Hi, we're going now to K11 Mall and the Avenue of Stars. Di ba, Ellie?
Ano na tayo na? Symphony of Lights.
And
Minute so cold. Ano buhay ko?
And we're going to the big Adidas store.
sure.
Tay! Tay!
What?
It's so itchy. Let's run.
Later, Ichiran.
Tatay, can we try Five Guys?
Sure, guys. Sit please.
Ano, buksan mo yung pack.
We're going lang to Ichiran. Oh, why?
Nabusog na.
Nabusog ka na?
Ang dami
Yeah. Okay, let's eat.
Sige, didn't know.
Kain ng burger.
We're underground going back to our hotel.
Yeah, we're going to Legoland.
No, pass by lang.
Oh, pass by. Di ba we'll go out from Legoland?
Lolo said ganda, parang Quiapo.
I didn't say.
No, Lolo said.
Ay,
Lolo said ganda, parang yung sa Quiapo.
bottle.
Underpass. Oh, yung underpass. Yung may patahian. Oh, Lolo said, wow, ganda, parang Quiapo. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig, grabe. Hinahangin ka, lakas ng hangin, ang lamig pa. Dahil pala dito na tayo umakyat.
Doon ba tayo lalabas ata?
Hindi, pwede rin dyan, no? Ayan, no? Istasyon din, eh. Ah, ito na yung atin, eh, oh. Tawid tayo, tawid. We're here na at Ichiran. Or do you share na lang because busog from the Five Guys?
Tomorrow. Yun ba?
Ichiran pala, Ellie, you scan the QR, then on the cell phone you order, and then pay, and then
Can I ask for more?
sarap ng Ichiran. Taman-tama sa cold weather. Ramen in cold weather. Eh.
Steel burger.
Oo, to sino yung may... Oh, si cellphone ko pala, picture cellphone.
Siya ko lalagay.
Kanya-kanya lang po.
We're now back at Chimsha-Chui, and we're going to eat at Keys Roasted Goose.
Sikat daw yun.
Потому что я думаю, я анализ. Я в поводі я вступаю, ні. І я не знаю, як уникати ситуації, яку я можу.
Lolo, saan ka punta?
Oh, may sakling pig sila. Dito ba?
Tofu. Paano siya?
Mao. Sabaw. Pero hindi ka nilang program. Kahit ka lang. Hindi mo